In this example, we're going to be estimating the mean MLB pitcher's age. We'll be constructing a 95% confidence interval using the formulas given in the online notes. Here's our scenario. In a sample of 30 current MLB pitchers, the mean age was 28 years with a standard deviation of 4.4 years. Construct a 95% confidence interval to estimate the mean age of all current MLB pitchers. From this scenario, we know that n equals 30, x bar, our sample mean, equals 28, and s, our sample standard deviation, equals 4.4. This is the formula from the online notes. From this scenario, we have all of the information that we need except for the t multiplier. To find the t multiplier, we're going to go to Minitab Express to construct a probability distribution plot for a t distribution. Recall that a t distribution has degrees of freedom. In this case, we have one sample mean, so our degrees of freedom are going to be equal to n minus 1. 30 minus 1 gives us 29 degrees of freedom. So let's go to Minitab Express to construct a t distribution with 29 degrees of freedom to find the t values that separate the middle 95% from the outer 5%. To construct a probability distribution plot, I'll go to Statistics, Probability Distributions, Distribution Plot. We want to display probability. We have a t distribution with 29 degrees of freedom. We want to find the t values that separate the middle 95% from the outer 5%. So we're dealing with probabilities, and we have equal tails. 0.05 is split equally between the left and right tails. When we click OK, this will give us our probability distribution plot with our t multipliers. Our t multiplier is 2.04523. We can go back to our formula to plug this value in for the t multiplier. Our sample mean plus or minus the t multiplier that we just found times the standard error, which is equal to the sample standard deviation divided by the square root of n, gives us 28 plus or minus 2.045 times 4.4 divided by the square root of 30. The first thing that I like to do is to solve for the standard error. 4.4 divided by the square root of 30 gives us a standard error of 0.803. 2.045 times 0.803 gives us a margin of error of 1.643. Now we subtract and add to find our 95% confidence interval of 26.357 to 29.643. To interpret this, I would say that I am 95% confident that the mean age in the population of all current MLB pitchers is between 26.357 years and 29.643 years.